Nightingale. Written by Hans Christian Andersen. A long time ago, there was an emperor whose palace was the most beautiful in the world. In the palace, there was a beautiful garden full of pretty flowers. It extended so far that no one knew where it ended. The emperor's remarkable garden was well known to everyone in the country. One day, the emperor happened to hear some things about his garden, but there was one thing he didn't know about. He came to the words, "The nightingale living in his garden sings the most beautifully." The emperor called one servant.
"I've heard there is a bird that sings marvelously in my garden. I have never heard of it singing before."
Your Imperial Majesty, the bird sings only at night when you are asleep. That's why you have never heard of the bird's song. We always close the window in your room so that you don't catch a cold.
Is that so? From now on, keep the window open. I will hear the nightingale.
Yes, I'll follow your order.
That night, with the window open, the emperor heard the beautiful song of the nightingale. He loved the singing of the nightingale very much. The following morning, the emperor called his servants and gave them an order.
"Go and get the nightingale to my room."
Yes, Your Imperial Majesty.
The servants went into the garden in search for the nightingale all day long. Toward evening, they found the nightingale.
Hear it? Its song is marvelous.
One servant saw the nightingale and said,
Nightingale, the Emperor wishes you to sing before him. Let's go to the palace with us.
The servants took the nightingale to the palace of the emperor.
"Oh, you are the nightingale. Sing to me."
The emperor was so moved that the tears came into his eyes.
Oh, such a wonderful song. I'll grant you a big reward.
I don't need a reward. I have seen tears in your eyes. That is my richest reward. I will sing to you while living in the palace. The emperor had the nightingale remain at court. The nightingale sang to the emperor. One day, a foreign envoy gave the emperor an artificial bird made to look like a living one.
Your Imperial Majesty, when the bird is wound up like this, the bird sings a beautiful song.
Oh, this is very beautiful.
The emperor loved the artificial bird. After a while, he didn't call on the real nightingale anymore. The emperor doesn't need me anymore. I will stop singing to him.
What? The nightingale is singing no more? Then there is no reason to have her at court. Banish her from the palace.
The emperor drove the nightingale far into the garden. He had the artificial bird that sang whenever it was wound up. One day, while the artificial bird was singing, something inside the bird sounded whiz. Then a spring cracked and all the wheels popped out. The bird broke down. The emperor came to lie ill because he couldn't listen to the singing of the bird. Physicians tried to heal the emperor, but he didn't get better.
Oh, sing a beautiful song to me.
But no one complied with his wish.
Oh, there is no one who sings to me now. Oh.
The ill emperor was very sad. Suddenly, outside the window came the living Nightingale. She had heard of the emperor's illness and came to see him. Your Majesty, I'll sing to you of hope.
Oh, it's a wonderful song. Thanks.
The Nightingale's song gave life to the ill emperor.
I'm so sorry. You must always remain with me here.
No, I cannot live in the palace. But let me come and sing to you in the garden whenever you want. Since then, the emperor ruled the land very peacefully for a very long time.